Yeah.
Okay,
Please
sir.
discuss how your educational qualification will be useful in your ADO's role.
As a BTech or as a mechanical engineer, how it is helpful?
Hello. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
I have given you time for 9:14. Huh? Oh, please come to Zoom. Nobody has come there. Other candidates have backed out. So if you come now, I can conduct mock for you. Come to Zoom. Yes, what happened? Are you discussing or not? Boys,
Yes, sir.
are you discussing or not? No.
Mm.
Hello?
Hello. Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Hello?
Yes.
Sir,
Good evening. What is it? You
yes.
agree for a date and you don't agree to come for this. What is the, how can you be recruited as ADO and you are brother of an ADO, development officer? What is this? Huh? Please come to Zoom and take whatever interview you can now. Come.
इसने क्वेश्चन किया था ये वाला.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
I was inviting the other guy who you
Yes.
know, he has agreed for a date and he has not turned up. So I am asking him to come. Now, you were discussing your points regarding your educational qualification. Like I heard some girl telling about, I have studied engineering. During engineering days, we have been taught about analyzing, problem solving, leadership styles, and creativity and all that. I will use all my skills and then try to market more. I will try to market more and try to get as much business as possible. Yeah, Vignesh has
Okay,
come.
sir.
So somehow like that. So everybody can tell the same thing. In science candidate can also tell the same thing. Then engineering candidate can also tell the same thing. Like
Sir, I
that.
have one doubt, sir.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Sir, actually, I'm a computer science graduate, BTech engineering in computer science, sir. So, will they ask about how this computer science specialization will helpful in LIC ADO sector?
Yeah, you can tell them, yes, my knowledge of computer education will be helpful for me. Say I am comfortable with operating laptop and say cell phone and all. So I can maintain my timetable. I can maintain my schedules and all properly and follow it up. Something like that you can say. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
so, sir,
Yeah.
one doubt, sir. सर सर इंटरव्यू के टाइम हम अपनी एंजाइटी से सर कैसे ओवरकम आ सकते हैं?
ये तो रेडीमेड सोल्यूशन कुछ नहीं जी. नीलेश पटेल, आई वेरी वेल अंडरस्टैंड यू. मेरा पास कुछ टैबलेट नहीं है, मेरा पास कुछ इंजेक्शन नहीं है जिसको रख के हम आप लोग को अभी से ऐसा दे सकते हैं. नहीं.
यस सर.
नो नो नो, यू पीपल विल हैव टू प्रैक्टिस फर्स्ट. आप अपने पास में विश्वास रखो. प्लीज हैव कॉन्फिडेंस इन योरसेल्फ. विश्वास रखो, प्रैक्टिस करो. और क्या करेगा, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू टेल. सो इट्स ओनली प्रैक्टिस 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 दैट इज गोइंग टू गेट यू सक्सेस.
यस सर.
नाउ आई थिंक विघ्नेश, यू हैव कम फॉर इंटरव्यू.
Sir, yes, sir.
Vignesh.
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Good evening. You are only the brother of Pawan, na?
No, sir, I am the brother of Pawan, sir.
Who is brother of Pawan?
Teja, sir, Teja.
Teja. Teja, you attended interview already, na? With me.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Then why did you not tell me your number is 97054? No.
No, sir, my number is 98850, sir.
1 minute. 9. Acha, did you attend today interview with me?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. At the 8 o'clock p.m., 8 o'clock, sir.
You attended. Acha, 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 acha.
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir. We discuss about the cricket, sir, Indian cricket team.
Very good, very good. But then you could have told me, sir, I have already attended. Why did you not tell me? I was
Sir,
scolding you. You should answer me.
Sir,
So
sir,
I
my brother called me and scolded me, sir. No.
Yeah, yeah. Because you know
Yeah.
there is confusion here regarding the number. No problem.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm
Okay,
sorry.
sir.
I'm sorry. I thought
Yeah,
you are not
sir, not
attending.
mentioned, sir.
ఏమరా ఇక్కడ
Sir,
పోతా
not mentioned, sir.
పోయిస్తున్నాం
Sorry.
Very good. Now,
రాకుండా పోయే ఇప్పుడు ఇటుకి ఎందుకు
see,
వచ్చావు
you
మళ్ళా?
have already attended the mock interview with me. Why don't you?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else who has come now for interview? Is it Vignesh? Vignesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Very
I'm
good.
here.
What is your number, please, Vignesh?
So you are asking for my phone number, sir?
Yeah. What else will I ask, Baba? Tell me. What else
It's
will I
9
ask?
Okay, sir. It's 9344210918.
Very good. 93442. Good. Vignesh, we are starting now. Acha, before my starting, that
Yes, sir.
Teja is there or is gone? Teja, are you there? Yeah. Teja,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am
Teja,
here.
why don't you try to share with them the problems you faced during the mock interview? What were the type of difficult questions I was asking? Why you could not answer them to full satisfaction? Please tell.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, can I explain in English or Telugu, sir?
English is
In which
better
language?
because majority candidates are English knowing only. Tell in
Yes,
English.
sir.
Okay,
Broken English, no problem.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, the first question, sir asked me about the how to interact the customer and how to sell the product to the customer in a different manners, like customer according to the customer behavior.
Mm. Thus, I was just telling him that you should try to understand the necessity of the person and then talk to him. Like
Yes, sir.
if he dances, you also dance and tell. If he is
Yes, sir.
singing, you also sing and tell him
He also
the
singing,
various
sir.
points like that.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
tell
Yes,
next
sir.
point. Yeah. Anything else you want to share?
Sir, sir also asked me about the life insurance policies.
Hmm. Yeah, anyhow, thank you. Now, Teja, thank you. I will go to Vignesh.
Thank you.
Vignesh, thank
Okay,
you.
Yes, sir.
Vignesh,
Yes, sir. You can hear me.
your interview is going to be on which date and in which division?
Sir, it is Chennai division, sir, on 14th
Very good.
Wednesday.
You are residing in which place?
Sir, I belong to Chennai, Tamil Nadu, sir.
Chennai, which part of Chennai?
Sir, Chennai Saligramam, sir.
Good, very good. Saligramam is known for what?
Saligramam, to be precise, it is we have some anima for Hollywood industry is famous for Hollywood industry. Sir. We have
Okay.
some ABM studios and some production houses here.
Very good.
And on the eastern side, we have Vadapani Murugan Temple,
Good.
which is residing in my house. And on northern side, we have Coimbatore Market and Coimbatore Mopsal Bus Stand, which is the Mopsal Bus Stand is 7th largest, and Coimbatore Market is the 4th largest in India. And west
Good.
we have Virnambakams.
Very good. So is there any big mall in Saligramam?
Vijaya Forum, Vijaya.
Vijaya Mall is there. Very good. Thank you. Now, Vignesh, what is the degree you have studied, Vignesh?
Sir, I completed my mechanical engineering, sir. Mechanical Engineering, Meenakshi College of Engineering, Virukambakam.
Acha, good. Meenakshi, it is in Kodambak. Virukambakam or Kodambakam?
Virukambakam, sir. That is Meenakshi College for Women. It was started as a for corresponding courses, but later it was changed to a women's college. Then it was reputed as one of the famous engineering colleges. But this is totally different, which is in Virukambakam. We have like
What is the
It is
degree
in
you studied?
Virukambakam.
What is the degree you studied?
mechanical engineering. So mechanical.
How many marks did you score?
So I completed with 72 percentile without history of writers.
In which paper, which year did you complete?
So I completed in 2015, sir.
2015.
Yes, sir. So I
After
have been working. I have been working in a private concern till 2019. From then I started preparing for TNPC Group 1 examinations. I
Very
quitted my job in 2019. From then I started preparing for civil service examinations.
I quit my job. Quitted Bharat.
Yeah, I quit my job.
Very good. That's right. Now, are you keen about joining LIC as ADO?
So obviously a big yes, because I have been unemployed from 2019. I'm just trying for service related jobs from 2021. sir. I'm very much interested in service, so I just wanted to serve the nation in any possible way. So I opted for TNPC Group 1 services. But due to my lacking in my writing, so I could not clear my mains examination, TNPC Groups exams. But after 2021, I started preparing for banking and insurance examinations.
Any bank interviews you have attended?
No, sir, I just given mains examination, but I have not given interview. This is my first time.
Good. Now, Mr. Vignesh,
Yes, sir.
what makes you think you like service industry, and what makes you think that you possess the qualities that are suitable for this position?
Okay, sir.
Tell me.
So can I take 10 seconds? Sir?
Yeah. But normally in interviews, you can't be asking time like this. You must be, this is a very routine question. You must be prepared. Come out after 10 seconds.
Yes, sir. So basically, I just belong to a well-educated family, but my father and my mother is more working towards service. Actually, my father introduced me to an NGO, which is a Kodambakam based NGO. So from there, I started going to NGOs and I started volunteering. From my schooling days, I started volunteering. So basically, I have been a volunteer for more than 10 years. From schooling, after my completion of my degrees also, I started working in different NGOs. So basically, I like to serve the nation in any possible way. So I opted for civil service examinations. So this has been one type of service, and banking and insurance is another type of service which can help them to the needed person and grow the organization as well.
You were telling about NGO for so many times, but you have not told me what type of activities were you doing in NGO?
So, okay, sir. Actually, I just worked and volunteered for 3 NGOs. First one is Nallur Vargam, sir, which is a Kodambakam and Nungambakam based NGO. We clean roads and we have a separate chapter called Arivind Alvis. This is like taking tuitions for the kids. So this has been one NGO's work. And second one is no food waste, which is redistributing the excess food which has been wasted, which has been cooked excess, marriage halls or party halls or some hotels. So we have tied up with some big hotels and restaurants. So we used to collect.
Yeah. Vignesh?
Yes, sir.
Hello, please, others, please stop speaking. Sindhi Reddy, Aishwarya and all, please don't speak. Sindhi Reddy, stop talking. Yeah. Now, Vignesh, please
Yes.
speak. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, the second NGO is No Food Waste, sir, which is an Coimbatore-based NGO. Actually, we redistribute the excess food which is being cooked excess in marriage and party halls and restaurants. We have installed 20 food and beverage ATMs in Chennai, and we have marked around 150 ATMs, food zones in Chennai.
Good, very good. This details will be helpful for you because, but don't be so elaborate. Try to make it brief. This will bring you better marks because you are exhibiting your serving attitude. So in what way do you think these skills or these attitudes will be helping you in your role as ADO?
So I have met lots of people in this field. Sir. So I have contacted and have many friends and list of many. I have met many people and I have good communication and good relationship.
There is no met.
Yeah, met many people and I have just communicated and good relationship with many people. So I think this communication skill and being motivated anytime, self-motivated will be helping me as a development officer to help these agents to work towards a goal.
That is one. One is self-motivation. Number two, willingness to be ready to listen to others at odd timings also, and
Yes.
to be of help to others. Good, very good.
Yes.
Not bad. Vignesh,
So,
what is your father? What is your mother? How many siblings you have?
sir, my father is a retired AHM, sir.
Retired?
He's
Retired?
AHM, assistant headmaster, sir.
Don't use abbreviations in interviews.
Okay.
You
Retired
think I understand that, but because of this internet, the message didn't reach me properly. I couldn't listen properly. So you must tell clearly. Yeah.
So he's a retired assistant headmaster, and my mother is a proprietor of a medical shop, sir. And I am my elder brother who's been working in NABARD as a DDM, District Development Manager for Tenkasi and Tirunelveli district.
Acha. NABARD.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the expansion of NABARD?
National Agriculture and for Rural Development.
Oh, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural.
National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development.
Who is the chairman of that? You should know that. There is one person, he has joined recently. Anybody knows? I used to remember it when I was connecting.
So I cannot recollect the name, but I have read the names.
1 minute. I will check it. Some latest name, some new name. 1 minute. NABARD. What is the function of NABARD? Hello.
Functions of roles of NABARD.
What is the function of NABARD?
So functions of
Shri,
NABARD.
hello, listen. Shri Shaji is the
Sri Shaji, sir.
Shaji is the chairman of NABARD. Now, what are the functions of NABARD? What are they doing?
So actually, refinancing is the most important work of them. Sir. Refinancing regional rural banks and cooperative banks is the most important work, and
Correct.
they give a loan for infrastructure development for the state government.
Super. Good answer.
And-
Good answer. Good
And
answer.
for
Now, what is RRB?
so regional rural banks.
What is the capital contribution of RRB? How much central government? How much state government? How much the sponsoring bank? You don't know?
No, sir,
You
I
don't-
could know the percentage, but I could not find which percentage belongs to questions. It's
Anybody
35,
else?
15.
Sir, I'm
Anybody?
Hariharan.
Hariharan, tell me. Hariharan, you are creating noise, so I switched. Tell
Central
me.
government central government 50%,
Ah,
state government 15%, 15%, then sponsor bank, that is Indian Bank 35%.
very good. Good, good. Because he is working there. That is why he is telling us. Very good. Otherwise, it is, yeah. So very nice, Mr. Vignesh. You sailed
Thank you.
through NGO. You
Yes,
came
sir.
to NABARD.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. I'm really happy about that. Now we are coming to LIC. Where is the headquarters of LIC?
Sir, it is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, sir.
How many branches or offices are there for LIC?
Sir, it is, the zonal branches is 8 and total branches is,
Anybody knows about that? No. Nobody knows about it? Doesn't
Zonal
matter.
branches are 8, sir.
How many branches?
Zonal branches 8, divisional branches 113.
113. Then number of branches? No idea.
this is 38230.
No. It must be
2000.
4,000. No? Oh, one
No,
minute.
sir. 3823, sir.
38.
Sir, 2000.
23.
Somebody is telling some other number.
Sir, it is a branch offices, divisional offices is 2048.
Divisional office 2048.
No, sir, branch office are 2048, sir.
Branch office is 2048.
Acha, 1 minute. Because I have a doubt. Number one, LIC. Number of offices. I will put offices. What is it telling? Let us see. Today, LIC functions with 2048 fully computerized branch offices, 113 divisional offices, 8 zonal offices, then 1,381 satellite offices, and the corporate office. You are all studying LIC for the last how many days? 20 days, 30 days. Why did you not get this detail in mind? This is a very basic question. Now, Vignesh, tell me what are the points I told you? How many fully computerized branches?
Sir, it is 2048, sir.
How many divisional offices?
It's 1113, sir.
Okay, how many zonal offices?
8, sir.
Then how many satellite offices?
Satellite offices, sir, according to my knowledge, which I studied, it was number you told was
1,381.
Okay, sir.
1,381. What is a satellite office? What is a satellite office? Because I don't know the answer. That is why I'm asking. Because if I know,
Sorry, sir.
tell me what is satellite office?
So sorry, sir. I don't have any idea.
No idea. 1 minute. Satellite office of LIC. LIC office. See, I think a satellite office means they will. How many LIC satellite offices are there in India? We saw that. What is a satellite office location? A satellite office is an additional location, a branch of a larger company that is physically separate from the business main's first office. Okay. What is a satellite office? Satellite offices are branches of a company that is physically separate from the business's main office. While decentralized and physically apart, they are known of their interconnectivity. Satellite offices' capacities can range anywhere. No, actually, see, if nothing else, they will be doing transactions on a lower level, not high. For example, they will receive cash for premium, and if any payments are to be made, possibly they may make. They may not be in charge of issuing of policies and all that. So that is the example of a satellite office. So if you have some agents, I think Monica Sen is one of our candidates whose father is a LIC agent. Then Bharadwaj father is LIG agent. So if we can ask them, they will be, or we can, or this boy Teja is there. Teja, you can ask your brother. Teja,
Okay,
You-
sir. Okay, sir. I can. Yes, sir. I asked my brother, sir.
yeah, brother about it. Good. So we have come to know about this also. Vignesh,
Yes,
now
sir.
please tell me, why should I select you? Come on. Why should I
Okay,
give
sir.
you more marks than other candidates?
So first of all, I could communicate well, I think, actually in my divisional language as well and English. So I could do some field work so that I can attain the job well. And I could I have some leadership qualities and I could come with the leadership qualities. I think I could work well. I have while I was working in my company, I did some marketing works, but it has not been a proved work. But yes, I did some marketing work. So yes, I can work. As this is a marketing job, I can communicate and do the business.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I'm Pawan, sir. Pawan.
Pawan, you come. Pawan, you please share. We had a doubt. What is a satellite office?
Yes, sir, satellite office, it was a small office. It was under in branch office, sir. Branch office, like
So-
mini office. Satellite
so-
officer, mini office.
What are the things they will do? They will issue policy and all that, or what?
Yes, sir. All the services they will do. Only certain employees, like class 1 officers and class 2 officers, are only employed on that office.
Oh,
No assistant cadre. Yes, sir.
no
All
assistant.
activities are normally done.
Acha, acha. All activities
sir.
are done. They will
Yes,
receive
sir.
cash. They will receive cash for policies and all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent.
Okay.
So what is the advantage of these satellite offices for LIC? Why are they not? Why are they
mini
not?
mini rural area, sir. If you have one branch like normal urban area, one branch, the branch service is very slow. They started a one sub branch on the 15 to 20 kilometers range.
Very good. Very good.
That is called satellite office. For reduce the burden, sir. Burden of the main office burden.
One question. Is it connected through internet to your main server?
Yes, sir. All offices are connected with one server only.
Including satellite office? Correct.
Yes, sir. All offices are same. Just
Very-
name was satellite because of small branch.
Acha.
5 to
Thank-
6 employees, only office cadre employees are there.
Very good. Thank you. That's a very
Yes,
good
sir.
point. Now, boys, you are all sitting here. If you have doubts, you ask. Once again, Pawan has come. Don't leave him. Ask your doubts. Vignesh.
Yes, sir.
Now, Vignesh, you will be interviewed by Pawan. Pawan, can you continue with Vignesh? Vignesh has done engineering and mechanical, has studied in 2015, and he has been working some places. Now he has been preparing for Tamil Nadu state government and bank exams. Now he is
Yes, sir.
very keen. Wants to settle as this thing. He has got experience in NGOs and all. This much we have discussed. Now you ask further questions to him for the next 5 minutes. Continue.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Hi, Vignesh.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Myself, Vignesh.
What is your age, Vignesh?
Sir, it's 28, sir.
28. When was completed your education?
I completed 2015, sir. I did my engineering
2015.
completed.
In this scenario, this is the first question for you. Why only you take the gap 6 to 7 years
Sir, no, sir,
after your
actually, I was-
education?
Okay, after completing my education, I started working in a private consultancy. From 2015 until 2019, I was working. Then for my
Okay.
preparation, for my group 2 mains preparation, I put at my job in 2019.
Okay. Which subject? The interview question, the interviewer asked this like these questions. Which company you are worked? What is the main product or main process or main purpose of the company? Like
Yes,
in
okay.
group two, which subject you have faced the most difficult, or which subject you have the most easy? Why you leaving that competitive exams? Why you only LIC exam? Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
These type of questions were asked.
Okay,
So
sir.
ready to face these questions, because
Okay, sir.
only 5 to 6 years gap, they asked why this gap. Okay.
Okay.
If you give the
Okay, sir.
satisfactory answer, they
Okay,
happy
sir.
with that.
Okay, sir.
Next question, out in related to like marketing or interact with people.
Yes, sir.
Are you interested to interact with people? This is the pure marketing. Are you interested, or if you have any other choice, if you go to the choice, or you take the LIC job?
So no, sir, I am very much interested in field work. So meeting new people, communicating with them, and having a good relationship like this. I like this type of work. So I will stick to these jobs.
Okay, you have any past experience related to marketing or sales?
So no, sir. Actually, I have worked as an production and supervising engineer, but I have just gone for a meeting for marketing meetings. But no, I don't have any.
Vignesh, for this question, your answer has to be different. Though
Okay, sir.
I have not had experience in marketing in the company where I worked, I have a lot of experience in NGO, where I was
Okay.
doing service to people. Though I was not marketing, I was rendering service. With this service attitude, I'm sure I'll be a best person for this ADO job. Something like that. You should
This
try
is the
to
best
market.
answer, sir.
This is the way you should market yourself. See,
Okay.
what is happening in interview? You are selling yourself, not
Okay,
for
sir.
money, but you are trying to tell them, I am more suitable. Please take me, take me. This is what you are going.
This is not answer, sir.
Yeah. Pardon?
Yes. Sir.
Yeah. Now, next question, Mr. Pawan. One more question to Vignesh.
Sandeep, Vignesh, any have idea about the two policies in LIC?
Yeah. Any two policies?
So, particularly of LIC policies. Sir.
Yes, particularly LIC policy. Explain the two products in LIC.
So I think, Vignesh, we will stop your interview with this. Mr. Pawan.
Yes, sir.
This is one question which I found today, even your brother could not answer properly, and many
Yes,
other
sir.
candidates could not answer it properly. Why don't you tell some 2-3 easy policies or important policies and tell the salient features? That will be good
Okay, sir.
for
Yes,
them.
sir.
Now, why don't you tell the
So
name
one
of
minute, sir.
policy? Yeah.
So actually, I just saw the website of LIC and I just read some policies. But I could not read and prepare for every policies has different silent futures and different age categories, and the premium amount is totally different. So I could not remember everything. So what can I do, sir? Like I just
No, no.
can I
Vignesh,
tell the
this
names of
is not only difficult for you, this is difficult for all. First, you choose the not website. First, you choose the YouTube videos. YouTube videos helps to various LIC policies, the best LIC policy. Like said, that person said logically. So you are attracted to that video. So you know that the policy methods or policy futures. In website, they only not oral, only written information is there.
Exactly.
Okay, you next
Now,
you
good point. Pawan,
you raised the good point. Yes, sir.
Pawan, tell me 3
Yes,
or 4 policies which these candidates should remember.
Yes, sir. I tell, sir. First of all, Vignesh raised the good point. Like this question, you have anytime search you have idea about LIC website. What is the name of LIC website? What topics are in that, what contents are, what aspects it's in that website. Interviewer question asked from website, sir.
Oh, they will ask you whether you
yes, website about website, sir.
Okay.
Definitely.
But-
Next policies.
but
All
to
the
be-
students.
To be
Yes, sir.
honest, Pawan, LIC website is not that very interesting to see also. Not very clear also. Sorry to say, but
Yes, sir.
that is my My impression. But
Yes, sir. But your personal opinion, but
But-
LIC
but-
website is not useful for policy holders, sir. It is not related to policy holders. Just
Mhm.
only for public interest. Just only for that. Policies
Creating-
are maximum 95% policies are only agents, sir. No need of LIC website, sir. Present. 95% are only agents, sir. Just aspects like important aspects on that only for understanding what is the what.
Acha, can you tell about this Jeevan Azad? What is this? Jeevan Azad.
Jeevan Azad plan
Is it
was
a-
launched newly, sir. Newly
is it a-
launched LIC plan.
S-
Ah,
um,
It was
yeah.
it was a planning for short-term investments, sir.
Mm,
Like only this plan having a 15 years term.
mm,
Only premium payment is 7 years.
mm.
If you pay 7 years premium, you receive the money at 15.
Mhm. Yeah.
And next, these policies are only limited policies, sir.
So here
Selling
I am.
very few.
Is the screen visible for you now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here I think candidates, even if you tell what is given on the website, they will be happy. You can say attractive limited period premium payment, minimum basic sum assured rupees 2 lakhs, maximum sum assured rupees 5 lakhs per life, policy terms 15 years to 20 years. You tell this more than sufficient. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Why? Only what is this policy benefit is like 40 years person or 50 years aged person, only like income generation only 5 to 7 years only.
Mhm.
They have only income generation, but 30 years young people, they have income for 20 years, up to 20 years. But 40 to 45 aged people, they have only money having only 7 to 8 years like age factor.
Mm.
They save the money for 7 years. After they receive 15 years maturity.
So this scheme is suitable for people above 40, 45?
Yes, sir. Only that people start 45 and short-term money savers. Short-term money savers.
Very good. Yeah.
They are not asked about this scheme, sir. It was
Well,
not
success-
most popular.
Acha, it is not popular. Acha, then which scheme is popular? Tell me.
Yes, sir. That was launched few months back.
Mhm. Then which scheme is popular? Please tell. Jeevan Shanti, is it good?
Which yes, sir. Jeevan Shanti is good for pensioners.
Acha, not for others. ठीक है.
This is single Jeevan
Then-
Shanti policy, sir. Previously, about this Jeevan Shanti policy, single premium payment policy. If you pay single premium at the one time only, after 1 year, you receive the certain sum of interest
Mhm.
from that
Acha.
policy.
Acha,
Like
Uh,
at present, Jeevan Shanti gives 7.2%.
okay. Now, saving B, Suraksha B. What is this? Ek si, do taya. I think Hindi people must be able to tell us. Ek SIIP, do tayare. It is not clear even.
SIP, sir.
Huh?
It's about SIP policy, sir. SIP policy, sir. Systematic investment plan.
Okay.
Sir, Sir, material sharing is not visible, sir.
Yeah. The website itself is not clear. They want to put it half
Yes,
only
sir.
they have done. SIIP. Is this a popular scheme,
Yes, sir.
Pavan?
No, sir.
Pavan?
This is the share market. This is the share market scheme, sir. Not
Oh.
related to LIC, but sell the LIC. It was selling by LIC. It was a share market linked policy.
So that
Last gone by the customer only.
so don't bother about this candidates. I think
Yes.
Jeevan Umang,
Jeevan Umang,
Jeevan
Azad.
Azad.
Jeevan Anand, sir. Jeevan Anand, Jeevan Umang, and Jeevan Labh. These are the
Jeevan
most
Labh.
famous policy.
These four
Yes,
you try to prepare. That will do. Good. It is already, how many, what's the time now? 10 o'clock. Any other question? A few questions, 1 or 2 questions, somebody? Anybody has got doubt, please ask quickly.
Sorry, I'm Vignesh.
Vignesh, yeah.
Sir, actually, this being an insurance interview, they ask me regarding this banking terms and all.
Yes. Normal banking terms, like say they can just test you what is RBI doing, what is what has happened yesterday, monetary policy committee. It depends on the interviewer. If the interviewer has got some exposure to banking, he will ask. If the interviewer is fully connected only with LIC, he may not ask also. It depends on your luck. Understand? But
Yes, sir.
but as a LIC interviewee, you must know about banking, about economy, about finance ministers, about financial
yes, sir.
schemes. ఇది అన్ని తెలుసుకోవాలి. అన్ని
Yes, sir.
తెలుసుకోవాలి. All these schemes you आप लोग पढ़ना पड़ेगा. लेकिन इसलिए तो हम आपको बैंकिंग बुक भी दिया है, लेकिन ज्यादा तो कवर नहीं किया बिकॉज समय नहीं है. So थोड़ा थोड़ा at least you should know what is a check, what is a demand draft, what is a non-banking finance company, then what is meant by core banking solution. These are all routine things which you must, they can ask you, but they may not ask you also. I don't know. Mr. Pawan, what were the
Yes, sir.
questions asked to you in your interview?
Actually, all persons are interviewed between 8 to 15 minutes, sir, maximum. My interviews were 47 minutes, sir.
Hare Baba, you are a very
Yes, sir.
too much
Yes, sir.
talkative boy.
At the 47 minutes, they asked 40 questions. I said all answer to all the questions, sir.
What are the, can you remember some questions?
Yes, sir. I remember this like financial inclusion, sir. At that time, financial inclusion was famous term. So, what is the financial inclusions?
Okay.
Why people only deposit the money at the banks, but not showing in saving on policies,
Very
taking the
good.
insurance policies? Why?
Very good. Next.
Next question was at present IRDA works, sir, Insurance Regulated Development Authority of India. What is the responsibilities
Very
taken
good.
for insurance companies, sir?
Very good. Next. Oh,
Next,
boys,
next
boys,
question.
note down these questions. Yeah, continue.
Next question from ethical factors, sir. Ethical factors. Nowadays, difference between why people are leaving their children, they leaving their parents.
Acha. Why
Yes, sir.
parents are not being taken care of by sons and daughters? Correct. Okay.
No, sir. Sons and daughters not taking care of parents.
Yeah, correct. Good.
Why children were leaving their parents?
Yeah. Correct.
Yes, sir. This is next question, sir. This is important. This is not question. This is the important suggestion. Don't show enthusiasm in front of interviewers, sir. Like they ask a simple question, you said answer simply. Don't say extra 2 or more terminology to that person.
Don't tell more than what is needed.
Yes, sir. If you say that, you say that the another interviewer record this words, and after you going, before you going, they ask what is that? Before you said what is this? So don't more enthusiastic. They answer the one question. They ask one question. So say that the answer. Just only. Okay, don't nervous. Your mother tongue is acceptable at that interview, but most English people try to speak in English in front of interviewers.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Next, the next question was recent paper editorials, sir. Recent paper, say any news about recent international news, recent state news, and next, what is the famous of your town, like town areas, sir? What is the famous of your town? In subject related is only like my graduation BCom, sir, BCom and MBA. At the time I am completed my BCom. They asked questions from accountancy, sir. Definitely they asked questions from accountancy. What is a financial statement? What is a liability and asset? What is the prepaid investment? And the prepaid, what is the prepaid expenses? That questions, sir. And from LIC, they ask only 2 or 3 questions, sir. What is the insurance? You know what is the role? You know what is your role?
Very good. So
Yes,
I think this itself is very elaborative, candidates. So I have given you commerce questions in the subject related questions. So please go through the commerce questions. Even though you are not commerce, please go through those questions. They can
Please
ask
see
you
the LIC share value, and LIC IPO. Please check
600,
that as
602.
also.
Today 602.
Yes, sir.
Today
Please check
602.
IPO details also.
Good. Anyhow, thank you so much, Pawan, for coming, clarifying our doubts. Best wishes.
Okay.
And
Thank you,
Teja,
sir.
it seems Teja, your brother has come and taken the interview. I
Yes, sir.
mistook the number and
Yes, sir.
scolded some other boy. I mean, scolded this boy unnecessarily.
And it's okay, sir. It's okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Candidates,
Bye,
I
sir.
am posting the interview, this interview also online. You please watch them later on. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye
Bye, sir.
bye. Bye.